Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, what are some good sources to learn about trading penny stocks in the US market? Answer by Barney Packard. Quora could be a good source. There have been good answers direct to yours, and just look up penny stocks on Quora. The answer is give the money to charity, get a haircut. Why invest in a company that probably no longer exists, or won't in 3 months? Buy a six-pack. We invest to make money. I want to buy something good, have it grow and sell for a profit. That is called investing. You don't date a corpse. I understand, you want to make money, you don't have a lot to start with. You make your money. You have/get a job, set aside money each month. You don't need 1,000 shares of S&P 500. If 23I, what you can buy it. I had a couple, with grown children, with kids of their own, bring me mom's stocks and try to make sense of the mess. It wasn't a mess, close to genius. 4 shares of GM, then 4 more, 6 of Citibank, another 5, then splits, and some Dow Chemical. All small buys, dating from the 1950s. This was maybe 1986. $800,000 plus in stocks. Lousy market most of the time. Mom may have been going into nursing home, but whatever she did for a living, every week or other week, she bought a couple shares. Drug companies, an oil company, diversified, buying maybe at most 10 shares at a time. Stocks split, sent her more, it was brilliant. She had lousy markets, the Vietnam War, Watergate, crashes, serious recessions, but over 35 years made more in stocks than she ever did working. Now in 2018, her $800,000 would be close to, if not over, $10 million, even after tax. I could Google penny stock newsletters, but they get their money from subscriptions and stock promoters. Most of the companies are already DOA. Dead on arrival, the others are desperate for cash, fell to a spell from a penny stock guy who promised them money. I managed hundreds of millions. Daily I got calls from penny stock letter promoters. I take a look, stock research was what I did. Never did they have a good idea. I saw the ads, did you buy Apple at 7 cents, Microsoft at a dime? Those ads lie, the promoter lies. I bought Apple in the teens, 1990s. It is under $1 adjusted for splits. Had a crook hiding money in Microsoft, he could have made more in Microsoft than crime and not lived in jail. When I first went to broker school in NYC, they had guys on street corners handing out pamphlets on penny stocks. Now they have internet, have your cell phone number, this not where you go to make money. Don't be stupid. Answer by D.R. Coley. Look for the experts. 2 resources I have come across are Intelligent Fanatics by Ian Castle and Tim Sykes. Tim is a well-known penny stock millionaire trader and offers multiple courses on the topic. I've never taken his courses, but the reviews seem good. Intelligent Fanatics is a fantastic resource for microcaps. The community publishes stories and ideas on companies with big opportunities. Personally, I use Seeking Alpha to find ideas from like-minded investors. SA is one of the largest platforms for retail investors. Answer by Travis Bartoshek. Is there a really seedy area of the town you live in? Go there and see if you can find a game of 3-card Monte being played there. Once you lose enough money there that you feel stupid, you have learned what most investors in penny stocks learn at some point. You are playing a sucker's game. Between the made-up hopes and dreams language most penny stocks use to talk to investors, and the amount of share manipulation that can occur when a few not really well-funded pump and dumpers can inflict on shares of stock, there can be way too much shenanigans occurring behind the scenes. If you are looking for better returns, find a good small-cap index fund and the patience to read a book of Russian poetry cover to cover. In the long run, you will probably outperform most penny stocks.